Hi there folks, welcome to our 388 state of the track. This time on Bergen Street. Here at the Eastern Parkway line. This station reminds us of 23rd Street at 6th Avenue. So therefore we have to exit the station to go to the other side. Basketball tracks. So we have to exit the station. And that's what we're going to do right now. This is what you have to do if you don't want to go to neither Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center, Pacific Street, or Grand Army Plaza. Here's the exit. You could take the B41 if you want to connect to either station, or simply do this. We're in the corner of Bergen Street and Flatbush Avenue. This is the man-bound sign. And these are the conditions. Box. Damn, it needs attention, this station. This station really needs attention. So this will conclude our state of the track at Bergen Street.